In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Claude in Excel for Windows. Before you install anything, take a moment to make sure your setup meets the requirements. You'll need a Microsoft 365 subscription that includes Excel for Windows, and your Excel app should be on a supported version, specifically build 16.0.1312.7.20296 or later. You'll also need an active Claude subscription that supports this integration, such as Pro, Max, Team, or Enterprise. Checking these details first can save you time and help you avoid installation issues later. Once that's confirmed, go ahead and open Microsoft Excel on your Windows computer. You can open an existing workbook if you already have a spreadsheet ready, or simply create a new blank workbook. Either option works, since the main goal here is just to get into Excel so you can access the add-in store. After Excel is open, look toward the ribbon at the top of the screen and click either the Home tab or the Insert tab, depending on the version you're using. From there, select Add-ins or Get Add-ins. This opens the Office add-in store, where you can browse and install tools that extend what Excel can do. In the Microsoft App Store search box, type Claude. When the results appear, look for Claude by Anthropic for Excel and select it. Be sure you choose the correct listing so you install the official add-in. Next, click Get It Now or Add, whichever option appears on your screen. Excel may show a few prompts during the installation process, so just follow the on-screen instructions to complete it. In most cases, this only takes a minute or two. When the add-in has been installed, return to Excel and open the Claude add-in from the Home tab. At that point, you'll be asked to sign in to your Claude account, complete the sign-in process to connect the add-in to your subscription, and enable its features inside Excel. Once you're signed in, you're ready to start using Claude in Excel. Open the workbook you want to work with, then begin asking questions about your spreadsheet directly through the add-in. You can use it to generate formulas, troubleshoot errors, summarize data, and help analyze the contents of your workbook more efficiently. If the add-in doesn't appear right away, give Excel a moment to refresh or reopen the workbook and check the ribbon again. With everything set up, Claude should now be available whenever you need help inside Excel.